Hello and good morning. Hope you have watched my previous video and practiced the exercises. Keep doing it. Today I'm going to show you a few more exercises which are especially designed to cope up the ill effect of this lockdown situation. I'm telling you ill effect especially why most of you are living a very sedentary life. I mean sitting at home and no such special activity as you do regularly. Moving here and there, going to school, going to buy something from the shops outside. Your main duty is to read books, watch TV, surfing mobile or laptop or something like that. Since you are studying in your study table, that is also for in a particular posture for a long time. Naturally, some pains are there in your body. Pains in the sense your neck pain, shoulder pain, lower back pain. Since you are quite young, you don't have that sort of pain as we feel the elderly people or even those who are above 60. Your pain is not like that. Actually, your pain is, I will not say pain, you have a little a feeling of tight shoulder, tight neck. Your body parts are not moving so nicely. Naturally, you are getting a little uneasy, discomfort. So to cope up that situation, we'll be doing a few exercises. These exercises you can, if you can spare a little time and do it, you can do it. Otherwise, if you are watching your TV or right in front of the laptop, you can do these exercises and enjoy your laptop and your TV also. Okay, let us do the same way. Suppose you are sitting here, your sofa, and you are watching TV. While watching TV, sometimes during the commercial break, also you feel that okay, something can be done, or you are taking a walk. That you can do. Or if you are sitting for a long time, you can do these exercises to manage your neck pain. Actually, since you are studying for a long time in a particular posture, your neck gets little uh, tight. So to avoid that uh, neck pain, you can do a few exercises. Exercise, this is the first one. Keep your one palm, either left or right, right in front of your forehead. And now press it backward. At the same time, by your head, you press it forward. So your head presses forward and your hands press backward. You will feel a little vibration at your neck region. Stay for 10 to 15 seconds. If possible, 20 seconds. Relax. Now put your right palm behind the neck, just behind the head, and left over it. And by your hands, you will push forward. You are pushing forward and your neck pushes backward. Similarly, you will feel a little vibration at your neck region. Again, here also you can stay for 10 to 15 seconds, if possible 20 seconds. Do it 2-3 times. Again, right from the front. Hands pushes back and head pushes forward. Coming back to other way. You are watching TV. Nothing disturbs you at all to watch TV or to see your laptop if you are watching a movie. Okay, now other side. By right hand, just keep your right hand over the right cheek and elbow pointing outward and press it towards the left. Simultaneously, by the head, you press it towards the right. You feel a vibration at your neck region. Do the same way by your left hand. Elbows pointing outward, not like this. Again, do it by your right hand. by your left hand. Okay, you can do it 5 to 6 times. Whenever you sit, you can do it 5 to 6 times at a stretch. Now come to your shoulder exercise. Shoulder exercise, first of all, keep both the palms together. Either the fingers pointing forward or like this. Elbows outward, but okay, elbows not like this. Elbows outward and press them each other. Now you will feel the vibration at your shoulder. You can make some modification on this. Like this also you can. This will be the position. And press each other. Right hand to left side and left hand to right side. Press. Give maximum power. Left hand down and right hand up. And this will be in front of your chest. This action will be in front of your chest. Okay. Now, place them like this. First of all, close the fist and put them together like this and take it behind your neck. And again, press to each other. Stay for 10 seconds, 15 seconds or more. Now gradually relax. Similarly, you can do it once again, forward and at the back. If you are not sitting on your chair, maybe on your sofa or on the bed, then you can do one thing. As you stand in standard position, how do you stand? Like this? Okay, this way, and then press it back. Here, by the hands you are pushing your body forward. I'm pushing my body forward. You can feel, I'm just showing you how I am pushing you. Push. Relax. After doing these exercises, you will feel that tightness is completely gone from your shoulder joint. Neck joint is free, shoulder joint is free. Now, what you have to do is to remove your lower back pain. As I told you, you don't have any pain as such. Only thing is that you are feeling little tightness in the lower back. So, what you do, you have to lie down facing towards the ground. Put your hands like this, right beside your shoulder. I hope you can hear me. And then push the ground by your palm, lift your body up, and then gradually lift that support. Gradually come down, relax. Now what will you do? I'm just turning back this way, keeping your front up on the floor and lift your lower hip. Lifting your lower hip, lift them up 6 inch, 10 to 12 inch maximum, and stay for a while. This will help you. This exercise will help you to strengthen your back muscles. Whenever you are sitting, my dears, you might have experienced when you are sitting, after a little while, your body automatically bends forward. This happens not because of your backbone is strong enough. Actually, your muscles do not support the backbone to keep it straight, to keep it erect. Okay, so you need to strengthen your back muscles. If you do this exercise as I have shown just now, if you can do it regularly, morning once, evening once, whenever you do, 5 times, upper hip lift up 5 times, lower hip also you lift up 5 times. That will complete one set like this, morning and evening. At a stage, if you do it for a long time, you may feel little pain again, different type of pain. But if you do it morning, again in the evening, that will help you a lot. And these exercises, as I have shown you, this will not only help you, but the other family members also. If you are watching the video, you can instruct others, you can guide others to do it, especially those who are little elderly, say about above 40. I mean, your parents, your grandparents can also do all these exercises. And really, they will enjoy. And you will see, they will remain very healthy, and you will also be very happy. Okay, my next video will be on some yogasana and yogic exercises next day. Till then, bye bye. Stay well, keep fit.